Kathy was sleeping here on the second floor, and horribly, with this door closed, this room became a gas chamber.
I was nauseated. I remember vomiting somewhere along the line as I was going through the house.
I take it you love this man.
I do. I love him very much. He had told me that her husband was out to destroy her financially, emotionally, psychologically in the community.
I said, you people have never returned our phone calls. We have now decided that we're going to the media.
What if the verdict goes against your father?
I'll be devastated.
We, the jury, being duly impaneled and sworn, find the defendant, Mark A. Wangler, guilty of aggravated murder.
Yes.